Broadcast is live. भनेर आयो.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the brand new edition of Speak. Every Fridays and Saturdays, we talk with different achievers from different backgrounds, and we have someone, a young achiever, र नाममै उहाँको इच्छा रहेको छ र त्यो इच्छा पुरा गर्ने क्रममा 2016मा द सुपर मोडल नेपाल, and then she is the owner as well as a proprietor of one of the reputed salon in the town, K-Town को सबभन्दा popular salon मध्येको एउटा the beauty bar, the beauty therapist, makeup artist, and television presenter as well as actor for the movie called The Breakup. So यति धेरै इच्छाहरू पुरा गरिसक्नुभएका we have Icha Karki with us. Welcome to the show, Icha.
Hello, welcome. Namaste.
So, तपाईँलाई इन्ट्रोड्युस गर्दाखेरि नै तपाईँको नाम अनुसारको इच्छा पुरा गर्दै आइरहनु भएको छ तपाईँले. सो अब के इच्छा बाँकी छ होला इच्छाको?
अब चाहिँ I mean, सोचेको जस्तै भइ नै रहेछ. I feel like whatever I have inspired myself to do and मेरो ideas follow नै गरिरहेको छु. Moving forward चाहिँ यही beauty fieldमा I want to do more. अब मैले आफ्नो YouTube channel पनि start गरेँ, so त्यसमा पनि फोकस गर्न चाहन्छु र फ्युचरमा गएर I do want to start a beauty school. So त्यही नै हो अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ इच्छाहरू मेरो.
Okay. So back in 2016, so you were spotted in the on the runway of the Supermodel Nepal 2016 organized by Pacific Event and Management, and you won the title award. And along with that, best scheme bunny. So the Supermodel Nepal was planned or not planned?
Sorry, Supermodel Nepal ko ke?
Was it been planned? Yes, I would take part in the competition. Planning got around about you. Yes, suddenly you joined the competition.
त्यो चाहिँ suddenly नै join गरेको थिएँ. I was thinking, okay, like I always wanted to see myself. I wasn't into the glamour world itself, and मलाई मन थियो हैन just to see how it is. I mean, actually participate in Miss Nepalमा गर्ने भनेर सोचिरहेको थिएँ हैन. But then I also saw the flyers for Miss Supermodel Nepal, and then it was my sister. So she was like, "Oh, why don't you participate here? It's really nice, blah blah." And all of a sudden, participate garyo, and I won, which is very surprising. And so it was nice turn of events.
So other than the good memories of being crowned, is there anything good memory besides being crowned as the winner? Or a good memory छ कि छैन the Supermodel Nepal?
Supermodel Nepalको memories-हरु?
हजुर.
Of course, memories are the very beautiful memories. I think the friends that I made there during that competition was very nice. I am in touch with very few of them, but I still am in touch. It's been a while, you know. And it also let me be outside my comfort zone, talking to the audience and being in a competition. It was a very good experience. Also, I trained in Aberrajan Surly, so that was also nice. It was such a good experience, and I also I kind of got to do other media thing also after I became Supermodel Nepal. So I think it opened a lot of doorways for me.
Mm-hmm. So we can recall the moment you're not being so much comfortable on high heels, so is it same issue with the high heels these days, or now high heel is very more friendly?
I can't hear you properly, Rojan sir. Ke bhancheko?
So त्यतिखेर high heels मा अलिकति problem जस्तो देखिरहेको छ.
Oh my god, high heels. कुरै नगर्नु अहिले पनि I have so much problem with high heels because I was that one person, and I never had to wear heels in my life, and I always felt like when heels when I was younger, heels down the head, everyone would be like, "Oh, you're already so giant, this is tall, so don't wear heels." Like, so they would always be like, "Don't wear heels." So when I participated in that had a supermodel, Miss Supermodel Nepal 2016, na, and remember you had to wear those 5-inch, 6-inch heels. Oh my god, that was like, oh no, they're like, sorry, but you're always like, Icha, what is this? What is it? Because I never knew. And I feel already heels, my already confidence is high. But even if I have to wear 6-inch heels and walk, I still get very nervous. Like, oh my god, heels, what is that? I get very, very scared.
So as the competition proceeded, अगाडि जाँदै जाँदाखेरि अब ग्रान्ड फिनाले नजिक आयो ग्रान्ड फिनालेको दिनमा जुन yeah, it's okay being part of the competition, learning is very सिकिहाले अब जित्नु नजित्नु it doesn't matter भन्ने नै
Actually, to be honest, the main competition within my I kind of like a little bit Lorna to Lord, but the main stage I almost tripped and I was like, whoops. I thought that I would make a full on Lord, so I did not expect at all to win, Obviously, whenever you take part in the competition, you do wish, okay, I win, I will be able to. I feel like once you stage, I don't know if you दिमागबाटै जान्छ कि हो you're just like numb कि you're just like whoa what is happening like त्यस्तो चाहिँ भएको थियो क्या and very nervous तर अहिले सोच्दाखेरि I feel very happy that I got to take part in that competition and I won which is really nice and it was really fun. Yeah, Tenzing that they were very supportive and Paladin and the people that I met there also I still remember they're very nice. Okay?
So you came back from Canada doing something in beauty profession. So there are lots of terminologies used, cosmetologist, aesthetician, beauty therapist. So what is difference? Major difference? Beauty therapist, what comes in?
So यस्तो जस्तो अब ब्युटिसियन भन्यो होइन मैले चाहिँ जुन पढाइ गरेको थिएँ त्यो चाहिँ मेडिकल ब्युटिसियन हो कि सो अब जस्तो नर्मल ब्युटिसियनहरूले गो डु लाइक फेसियल अनि अब भनौँ न हेयर कटिङ whatever हुन्छ नि मेडिकल ब्युटिसियनमा चाहिँ यु क्यान डु थिङ्स लाइक केमिकल पिल्स लेजर अलिकति मोर मेडिकल साइडमा हुन्छ कि अनि हामीले स्पेसिफिकली नेपालमा जुन पढ्ने ब्युटिसियन कोर्स छ र जुन बाहिर पढ्ने त्यसमा चाहिँ डिफ्रेन्स चाहिँ केमा छ भने चाहिँ डेप्थमा रहेछ कि मैले बुझेको अनुसार बिकज I wanted to see how the schools were here, and I did go to one, and not that I didn't complete there. So एक महीना मात्रै गएको थिएँ, and like different thing, depths मा चाहिँ जस्तो स्किन केयरको बारेमा पनि त्यहाँ 1 year को कोर्स हुन्छ भने यहाँ 3 months मै सबै चिज सकाइन्छ हैन. So these were the little differences that I found personally.
So then came to the mega thing in your life that was opening the beauty bar. So the beauty bar concept, so the normally bar is associated with beverage, and how you join that beauty and bar together.
Actually, the idea was when I first started, I really loved the name Beauty Bar. I wanted a name that was very unique, funny, and I thought that when I start Beauty Bar, why not serve drinks there, as in like beauty drinks or like aloe vera juice or whatever. So every time people would come, up to concept, I didn't go through it. But maybe in the future I will. The idea is like when people come, it's like a bar with beautiful drinks, and it'll be like a very nice a bar, but okay, a place to hang out in. So it's like a place to hang out, but for your beauty needs one. Beauty bar one year start going.
Okay. So every organization, every brand has their own USP. So विशेषता जसलाई भन्छौँ so beauty bar को विशेषता चाहिँ के होला?
I think our विशेषता चाहिँ के छ भन्दाखेरि I think our main would be our facials हैन हामीले जुन स्किन प्रतिको जुन एउटा passion देखाएको छ हाम्रो beauty salonमा and the way we are dedicated to our skin like I have मेरो beauty bar member who work there who have been doing facials for the past almost 20 years कि अब imagine अब त्यो मान्छेले कति idea भइसक्यो like 20 years को एउटै field-मा when doing that because my mom was also a beautician हैन so she used to work with my mom first so then that's how I think it also came through an inspiration to my mother as well and overall I would say that skincare beauty skincare makeup or main focus of beauty bar ko chahi.
Okay. So regarding the menu card ma जुन साइडमा हुन्छ नि प्राइसको मेन्यु हुन्छ नि एउटा त सर्भिसको मेनु हो सर्भिस सँगसँगै प्राइसको मेनु सो इज इट अफोर्डेबल अर यो चाहिँ एकदम इलाइट ग्रुप अफ पिपलको लागि चाहिँ टार्गेट गरिएर बुझेको आउटलेट
Okay, price wise बुझ्नु पर्दाखेरि चाहिँ अहिले there are so many elite salons हैन नेपालमा काठमाडौँमा भनौँ specifically हैन I feel like हाम्रो price is very at par with them so it's not I wouldn't say it's very cheap हैन because you cannot provide त्यो typeको services at a very cheap price but I would say that we are very affordable because if you can also compare our prices with most of the salons they're equally almost the same nature if not less.
Okay, quality service with affordable price भनेर हामी भन्न सक्छौँ.
I think it's a comfortable price for all people like from elite देखि लिएर हाम्रो middle class or normal everybody को लागि हुने prices हरु छ.
So we'll continue this journey of your professional life. Meanwhile, we have a segment. So this would be one word question answer. So you are supposed to answer in one word as possible as you can. So let's go into this.
Fast question answer.
Fast funny, yes, you can think, but not as much long question answer. Let's be a little bit sporty. Okay. How you define?
Clear signing, so sometimes I'll take some time to listen to
no
the question.
No problem on that. So, how you define school life in one word?
How do I define school life in one word?
Yes.
Fun, crazy, I want to go back.
Okay.
In 3 words.
College life.
College life was a totally new experience. Amazing.
Okay. Life of a beauty professional.
Oh, everything I ever wanted.
How you define being a daughter?
Oh, the most blissful thing in the world.
How you define being single?
Experimental.
And now being married.
Oh, very beautiful.
Okay. How you define life in one word?
You get what you give.
Okay. Define love in one word.
No words. I think unexpressionable and can't really define love. There's so many types of love.
Okay. How you define romance in one word?
Romance?
Yes.
Romance in one word. Oh my God, everlasting.
Friendship in one word.
Friendship in one word. Trust.
The word that you hate the most.
The word that I hate the most.
Yes.
The word that I hate the most is it's not a word. It's like an expression that people like like treating someone who maybe not be as blessed as you and treating them differently just because of that. Oh, I hate that. I just hate discrimination.
Okay. The word that you love the most.
I love the most. The word that I love the most. I think it has to be I love you. I think like the word, like the let sentence one because it's something that is so meaningful and you say it to everybody that you love. So
okay,
I like that.
One word that defines you the most.
One word that defines me the most. Crazy. Bubbly, I would say. Like I think I'm a very positive person. So yeah, these are the few words I would describe myself.
One word that is not you.
One word that is not me.
Yes.
Organized. Oh, I'm not organized.
So you spell your initials ITCHYA. So can you give one word for each of your alphabet of your initials?
Sorry. Give one word for.
One word for each alphabet of your first name.
Okay. I for intelligent. T for tall. C for charming. H for honest. Y for young. A for awesome.
Okay, so that was awesome to put on all those words for your first name.
Yeah.
So we move on to second segment. This would be either and or, and you need to keep on one choice and give reason for your choice.
Okay.
What would be your choice? Long dress or short dress? Why?
Long dress because it's very comfortable to wear, and I don't have to worry about I can just be how I am. You know how I am, the no heels kind of person.
Long hair or short hair?
Right now I'm really liking short hair. I don't know why.
Eye makeup or lip makeup?
Lip makeup, I think.
Because
Sorry.
reason behind choosing lip makeup?
Because eye makeup takes a lot of time. Lip mata, I just have to do lip gloss. Eye makeup now, or even if I just do my brows and just walk out the house, it's fun. You know, it doesn't take too much time.
So, what would be your selection? Beauty educator or beauty professional?
What would be my what?
Beauty educator or beauty professional?
I think I would like. Oh my god, I cannot choose that. It's the same. Okay, fine. Beauty professional.
Okay. You love to call more as a beauty therapist or makeup artist?
Beauty therapist.
Okay. Model or actor?
None. I'm none actually because. But if I had to choose, maybe I would love to act more. I think actor would be more suitable.
So, what would be your choice in between sports car and racing bike?
Kitty.
Sports car and racing bike.
Ooh. If I knew how to ride a bike, I would choose racing bike.
Snowfall or rainfall?
Oh my god, enough of snow. No more snow. Rainfall.
Pani puri or bhel puri?
Pani puri all day, every day.
So you love more that tikha swad body मन पर्छ या normal?
Sorry, what?
पानी पुरीमा तपाईलाई अलि तिखो मन पर्छ, धेरै अमिलो मन पर्छ या
मलाई त्यो होइन,
तिखो?
मलाई त्यो इमली हालेको हुन्छ नि, गुलियो
हजुर।
गुलियो अमिलो टाइपको त्यो मन पर्छ, इमली हालेर के कस्तो मिठो हुन्छ. Oh my god, love it.
Laptop or smartphone?
Laptop or smartphone? Smartphone because they do the same work as a laptop nowadays.
Okay. Bridal makeup or party makeup as a professional?
Party makeup any day.
Okay. Fashion show makeup or pageant makeup if you are hired?
Ooh, I think they're almost the same, but I think with fashion makeup, I have more leverage. Like I can do more dramatic or, you know, kind of look. Whereas pageant makeup, you have to make the girls look a certain way. So definitely fashion show makeup.
Okay. And then waking up till late night or waking early in the morning?
Waking up till late night. I hate waking up in the morning.
Okay, soupy noodles or instant noodles?
Kiri, sorry?
Soupy noodles or instant noodles?
Key noodles and instant noodles?
Soupy with soup?
No. Katsu wai.
Shopping at the mall or single retail house?
Honestly, I think a mall would have more options.
Watching movies in multiplex or single theater?
Of course, single theater would be more fun, but it depends, mood on side. But for now, single theater because of COVID.
The beauty bar or the supermodel Nepal?
Okay, a beauty bar, supermodel Nepal is something that is very close to my heart. It started my career into the field of glamour, but beauty bar is my baby, so I cannot, choose anything over my baby. So beauty bar.
The breakup or the beauty makeup? So the beauty bar or the breakup?
What makeup?
The breakup or the beauty bar?
Oh, the movie Breakup ki the beauty bar.
हजुर.
The beauty bar, of course. I mean, there is nothing that you can compare that I will choose over beauty bar. Okay? I think it is everything.
Okay, the last one. The breakup or the supermodel Nepal?
The breakup or the supermodel Nepal? I think the supermodel Nepal.
Okay, let's move on to this part, the breakup part. So, how it came in your life, the breakup movie गर्छु भनेर कसरी चाहिँ it came into and you suddenly seen on celluloid movie?
Actually, more Kipu Magati. I was at this movie screening for someone, and Himraj Dai, I'm a director. त्यहाँ हुनुहुन्थ्यो. त्यसपछि एक्चुली कसले पो उहाँले चाहिँ म जब उता हिमालय टेलिभिजनमा वर्क गर्दै थिएँ मेरो नम्बर माग्नु भएको थियो जस्तो लाग्यो होइन तर वान डे आशिर छ नि आशिरमान
हजुर
सो Asher and Himraj, they आउनुभयो beauty bar and we're discussing like यस्तो हो यो shootsहरू हुन्छ program हुन्छ blah blah blah. Are you interested? And I didn't know at that point if I wanted to do it or not because beauty bar has just been established. Okay, so because it was just been established, I didn't know if I should take so much time off and all that stuff. But I really thought about it, and since it was not a lead role, it was Shilpa's sister role, you know. So I didn't have to spend so much time outside of beauty bar bunny. So we said yes, and yeah, that's how I started. I did the movie.
So the movie did it created more of interest to do more movies or one movie done?
Actually, to be honest, I feel like Nepali movies we need to really step up more in terms of storyline, in terms of everything. Honestly, the team that I worked with, Imran, they are so freaking amazing. They were like a family to me. But talking about Nepali movies itself, I think we do need to level up, and there's a lot more way to go in terms of movies, I think.
So in between, offer the script is very good for you, character that suits you. So can we see you again in a movie?
Yeah, definitely. I think I would love to act in a movie again. I am kind of planning to do one, so let's see how that goes.
The other part of your professional life is seeing on television as a television presenter and hosting talk shows. So how it happened in your life?
Television show? I remember the first television show, Himalaya TV evening show at 6. My friend Chang, he used to be associated. I don't know if he's still there or not. So that's how him and me were like, why do you want to host a show? Blah blah blah. We're talking, and then I was like, okay. And then I met Aman Pratap Adhikari. So he was there, and I went and I gave feedback with him, and I guess he was happy, and they hired me. So yeah, that's how the started my TV career.
Okay, so त्यसको बारे अझ elaboration गरौँ होला. But right now we have another photo segment. अहिले हामीले स्क्रिनमा तपाईको केही पिक्चर्सहरु अपन गर्छौं. So can we recall the moments where you shot these pictures and how it happened? So अहिले देखेको पिक्चरको बारे के भन्नु
होला? I see that this one is the green lehenga. This is from Innovate Studio. This one was shot by Mahesh Pradhan Dai. He's an amazing photographer, and I've worked with him before as well. And this one was for Nari magazine, Nari Bhakhera, women-based magazine. So this we did the Teej ko bela ko Shravan mahina ko shoot थियो. Shravan ma hariyo laउँछ भनेर हरियो shoot गरेको.
Okay. So this one from the supermodel.
Oh my god, I hate these pictures. I look so bad. You can see I'm so awkward wearing those tall heels. This one was from the modeling competition. Look how tall I am compared to everybody else. They look so tiny. I look like giant. 2016 Supermodel Nepal competition.
So this is the show you have been talking about, the evening show.
Oh, this is the evening show at 6. This is the Miss Nepal guest, Sahara Bosnet. So I invited her to my show. So that's me and her.
So this one?
This one is actually at my friend Rita's engagement in Annapurna. Such a long time ago.
This one?
Oh, it's loading. Oh, this one is actually okay. So Unnati Foundation So it's led by Stephanie Bhanderu. She's a foreigner, right? So Pashmina ko business रहेछ कि यहाँबाट knit गरेर नेपालबाट knit गरेर बाहिर पठाउनु रहेछ कि. So this is actually orphanage, not orphanage भनौँ अब the girls like orphanage in Bhaktapur. So त्यसको बाहिर चाहिँ Bhaktapur बाहिर चाहिँ we did this shoot.
Okay. This one?
This one is for Wow Magazine. I was on the cover of Wow Magazine, and this one was shot by Anjum Maskedai, amazing photographer, another amazing photographer. This was from the cover shoot of Wow.
त्यसमा कुनै पेजेन्ट गयो?
Yes, this one. I know this one is from not pageant. This one is from what was it? Oh, I remember this one. I did the makeup for this pageant. Burn victims or लागि भनेर fashion show गर्नु भएको थियो यहाँ उहाँले के भन्नु नाम Orni not Orni sorry Orion. What was the name of it? Oh my god, I forget. But उहाँले गर्नु भएको थियो and I was doing the makeup for the entire team. Modelsहरूको लागि makeup गरिदिएको थियो.
This is the winning moment from your first event as the supermodel.
हजुर.
The winning moment.
The winning you sorry मैले बुझिन.
Winning moment of the supermodel.
Oh, now I see it. Yeah, the winning moment. Oh my god, I look so funny. I have these pictures. त्यति बेलाको मेकअप कस्तो अर्कै थियो कि it was so different. Oh, this was from Mehndi.
Your Mehndi function.
Yeah, my Mehndi function.
So this picture somewhere makes us remember a bubbly artist, Bollywood artist, Preity Zinta. जस्तो देखिन्छ भने कति भन्नुभएको थियो तपाईलाई?
हजुर भन्नुभएको छ कतिजनाले. I don't think so तर भन्नु चाहिँ हुन्छ है.
झट्ट हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ त्यो
You know what? It's a very big compliment for me because like growing up, she was my favorite actress. So मन पर्थ्यो मलाई reason, especially the Salam Namaste. I used to love that. Oh, this is from my wedding.
So this is main occasion, wedding ko main occasion.
Yes, this is the main occasion. Wow, look the progress in Sunny. It's crazy. Oh, this is from recently from our first anniversary.
Okay.
With Mira +1.
So we again wish you a happy married life and yes, congratulations on first year anniversary. So can we talk about more about your better half?
More about what?
Your better half.
More about my better half. Okay. Definitely, like the word suggests, and he is my better half in every way possible. I'm the chaotic one, but when he's the calm one. Really, there's a really good balance between us both. So it's an amazing relationship.
Okay. So 1 year is 1 year. So more years to be added on that happy journey of married life. Even though 365 days, Mapani, we understand each other so well. So can we reveal something? The thing called what could be the secret behind the successful married life?
Successful married life? Okay. I'm only 1 year married old. So successful. I mean, obviously successful. I might not know all the secrets because just the time spent they go like change. But I don't see. Honestly, I feel like the love that I have for him, my partner Kulagi, it sounds so cliche. Even like already I was like, So after the experience got there, it's so weird. When I used to date him and Oily, I think the love has increased more because I feel like we live together and there's a whole level of understanding. And I think the understanding part comes from him because I am not the understanding kind, So he complements my personality really well. I'm a very frank, open, and I need what I want. This is like good personality, and he's like the opposite of me. So it kind of really balances us. Like Tarazu like perfect. It's like equation.
Okay. So from a transform.
The perfect secret, for a marriage is knowing each other really well. Okay, that's why you really have to know the person, what you're getting into, and what they like, what they dislike, and kind of making your life around it. That's the key.
Okay. The transformation from being daughter to daughter-in-law. So more opportunities and more responsibilities, is it? Or less opportunities, more responsibilities?
Actually, to be honest, I think touch wood, I've been blessed with a really, really good house. Once in my like मान्छेहरू हुन्छ नि यो नेपाली स्टाइल they're like oh सासु बहु के भन्छ like त्यो like the is the complete opposite कि literally like she does everything हुन्छ नि I'm busy with beauty bar and all and she also has her own business she's busy with that I literally wake up at 11 12 and she's like having the food ready for me and on the table हुन्छ नि like the lunch table ma and yo khao tyo khao and like she literally treats me like her daughter itself like she has a daughter as well and there's no difference in the beginning I mean to be honest and it was really weird because you were changing your house and it's a different set of everything but I think after this 1 year mark I have learned many things way the things work in this house things in that house but it doesn't really affect me because she minds her own business and I mind my own business so it really doesn't affect us
Okay.
in a negative way.
As you told that your mother-in-law really loves you and pampers you, so have you ever been creating that opportunity, inviting your mother-in-law to the beauty bar and pampering her with all those beauty services?
Oh yeah, definitely. I think her, my mother-in-law, my mother, my sister-in-law, they all enjoy the beauty services at beauty bar. I think that's one of the perks, right, of having a beauty therapist in your house. On your lockdown, I gave her a facial. So I think it's a good relationship.
So for my client, run my shop.
Government client डन्नै छ तर अहिले अलिअलि खुलेको कारणले गर्दाखेरि
जस्तो तपाईको सर्भिसको मेन्यु कार्ड अनुसारै तपाईले चार्ज गर्नुहुन्छ कि do you offer discount to those people?
Of course I wouldn't charge them right family le wasn't charge but I should tell my husband like oh you need to this is the owing bill amount
so still your time ma आइसकेपछि हैन एउटा प्रोफेसनल ब्युटिशियन को रूपमा so sorry to pronounce beautician so you love to call yourself beauty therapist and so lots of beauty salons in the market and lots of beauty professionals in the market seniors are there newcomers are there र तपाईको counterparts हरु पनि हुनुहुन्छ so where you place yourself competitively जस्तो लाग्छ या you have your own way of presenting yourself in this market
I think honestly I am a medical beautician भनेर मैले अरुको कोही त भेटेको छुइनँ अहिलेसम्म हैन नेपालमा so many people I've met I've talked to nobody has done the medical aesthetics that I did so maybe that is a different genre in itself criteria in itself but honestly I still place myself as a newcomer because I'm still learning. It's a learning process, and I wouldn't say that I have reached a level or yeah, I have my own place in the beauty field, and maybe a lot of people do look up to me, beauty wise, but still, I personally believe that I'm still a newcomer. You know, I 2006 I don't think my personality has changed at all. I'm still the same person. Yes, maybe I changed as a person in the sense that my way of working has probably changed. I understand the system more, how people are, what people are, and their intentions and motives. But me as a person itself, I'm the same, and I still consider myself a newcomer because I'm still learning, right? I'm still learning new things every day.
Okay. There might be the repeated customers, and there might be the walking customers. And there might be customers who are not satisfied with other saloons and other services. They came to you and they start complaining कि यस्तो गर्नुभयो त्यस्तो गर्नुभयो भनेर to complain लिएर आउँछन् नि. So is it easy to handle those people or your regular customers or walking customers?
Complaints about other salons and coming to me or complain about other salons?
Complaining about other salons and now they want to get rid of their complaints and they want new service from you.
Obviously a lot of people come up to me and comparison but like everybody has their business, right? So I don't like to go and be like, oh, maybe they did this, that, or they did that. I'm just be like, maybe they have a different way of doing things. Why don't you try this? If you like this, you can let me know. I mean, that's how I say it because like maybe if they don't like somebody else's thing, they might not like mine, and they would be saying the same thing there, and I would expect the same from my beauty community as well to support us because clients are our most important integral part but at the same time I think as a beauty community as business owners ekarkaलाई चाहिँ strong बनाउनुपर्छ. You can't go ahead and go back and backbite about अर्को त्यो गर्न थाल्यो भने like आफ्नो business पनि डुब्छ अरूको business पनि डुब्छ not a good thing.
Okay. So क्लाइन्ट साइकोलोजी तपाईँलाई रिड नगरिकन पक्कै पनि ट्रिटमेन्ट गर्दाखेरि अलिकति एडभान्टेजेस नहोला भनेर कस्टमर रिलेसनशिप म्यानेजमेन्टले थ्योरी वाइज सिकाउँछ. सो डु यु अप्लाई द्याट, यु रिड द क्लाइन्ट साइकोलोजी, उसको मनमा एउटा कुरा छ एन्ड सी इज सेइङ समथिङ एल्स?
Psychology bhanda pani, like I think I understand people very well, and the type of person that I am, I feel I create a very safe and fun environment for the person. I personally feel that the person feels very easy to open up to me. So whenever my customers or clients, and I make sure that if I'm there, I make sure that I talk to them, ask about their day, ask about what's happening, because I'm genuinely interested. It's not that I'm just making small talk, okay? Like I'm genuinely interested in what's happening and what's happening in their life, and I am curious. So I think it's a very good relationship. I think I have good PR.
So we enter to another segment. Isma saying if question. So if is something that you need to imagine. So the song reality ke linu dinu chaina. So how we can handle this situation about that. So let's go with this. So if you were a man.
Okay. Oh, I have to complete the sentence.
Yeah.
If I were a man, I would go back to sleep. I don't want to be a man. No way.
If you were a school-going student.
Oh, if I was a school-going student, I would enjoy those moments even more because they don't last very long.
If you were your mother.
Oh, okay. If I were my mother, I would give more allowance to Icha for more shopping and more clothes.
If you were your mother-in-law.
Ooh, if I was my mother-in-law, what would I do? I would be very grateful that I have such an amazing daughter.
If you were being your husband.
If I was what?
Your husband. If you were your husband. If you were your husband.
Oh, if I were my husband, I would give a blank check with my signature and tell my wife, oh, go and buy like you luga ko shopping and makeup kinno zone. I would send her to a makeup store.
So if you were your father.
If I was my father, I would book a ticket with my daughters, Raksha and Icha, and take them on a world tour.
If you were plus size.
Plus size? I am plus size. I know, but Nepal paisa matlab plus size nahi ho, na. But if I was actually super plus size, I would really appreciate and kind of do like a talk show about body positivity. Even though I could do it now and I still do it, but ekdamai plus size bhako bhai I would do that. I would love to do that.
So if you were zero figure.
I would take so many pictures in a bikini and post them everywhere.
If you hate someone, what would you do?
I will make their life hell. Or I will not talk to them forever. Do the extremes. I will not talk to them. I will make sure I make their life hell.
If you were angry with someone.
I would start crying because that's my first response. If I get so angry, I start crying. I don't know why. Very bad response.
If you are happy with someone.
I would love to take them on a vacation if I'm really happy.
If you happen to lose your favorite belonging.
I would probably get over it the next week. Okay, that's just my personality. No.
So if you were not beauty professional.
I would, oh my God, if I was not a beauty professional, I don't see myself doing anything. Maybe I would open a daycare center.
Okay. Last one. If you were not married.
if I was not married, I would be dating my husband and we would be traveling the world.
So that is all nice. So still we have one more segment, but that will be a little bit late one. So let's
Okay.
talk on about the modeling. So how passionate still you are about modeling?
Honestly, Aina, I am very passionate about modeling and I still am. But you know, there's a certain key ones, a look that you need to be a model. Because you figure that is a very, I think, very strenuous. And so you need to like really think. And I'm a big girl. So you know, I'm like freaking 5'9", and I'm not those petite usual Tamil behaviors in Nepali girls or they're very petite and tiny. I'm the complete opposite. So I feel like modeling in Nepal, maybe I don't know, maybe it will work, it will not work. I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm still, I don't know about modeling. Like I still, I would love to, but I don't know if it's gonna work or not for me.
So doing photo shoots. So you love to do cover shoots, magazine shoots, and then print commercials.
Yeah, I mean, why not? I so like I love doing cover shoots and all, and I also love being behind the scenes and doing the cover because I've been on cover shoots, on covers myself, and I've worked on celebrities who have been on covers and done their makeup, right? So I think it's really nice, and being on the cover, it's like a good day to relax for me, where everybody else is doing things to me and I'm not doing to others, and it's a fun way of relaxing for me.
So you yourself is good enough, you yourself is a model enough, and you yourself can represent your brand very well, the beauty bar. But if you happen to choose someone to represent your brand, the beauty bar, who would be that face?
If I had to choose a model for beauty bar,
Yeah.
honestly, it would be someone who is very, very confident in their bare skin, who is intelligent, a woman, of course. And I want the face of beauty bar to be a woman because I just believe in woman power. And it's not a particular person. It's not a particular celebrity or you. It's just a person that I would describe as a very confident person that could inspire others. Okay, so I think that would be the face of beauty bar.
So have you found someone like that, or you're still in the hunt?
So like I think about someone a face. I don't think beauty bar needs a face. I think beauty bar needs to prove its worth by the services it provides. Okay, it's not something like it doesn't need to have a face. I mean, people do associate me with beauty bar right now, but the thing is that beauty bar is the people, okay, the workers who work in the staff, my staff actually work in beauty bar. Okay, those are the faces of beauty bar, and that's what I want.
So being a beauty therapist, so if you need to put on very simple kind of tips for general skincare, keeping on mind of teenagers. So 13 the hilaire 19 years category for teenagers, especially the teenage ladies को लागि, being a beauty therapist, what would be general skincare?
Sorry, what was the question?
General skincare, एकदमै general skincare, handy skincare
tips
for the teenagers.
Don't smoke, don't drink, at least until you're 25. Just drinking, fine. You can do it like once a week or whatever, right now. Like, I mean, moderately. Because the more you drink, the more you smoke, the more you're going to deteriorate your skin. Sunscreen is a must. You have to wear sunscreen 3 times a day and drinking a lot of water.
So that is handy tip from our beauty therapist, Iksha Karki. We have last segment. This is called Back to School. So यसमा तपाईले translate गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. I would be asking in English and let's recall the Nepali words as possible as we can. And most of the words are from your field.
You're gonna be asking English and मैले चाहिँ नेपालीमा translate
नेपालीमा. So तपाईकै फिल्डको धेरै कुरा राखेको छु.
ल I can do this.
Okay, makeup लाई नेपालीमा के भन्छौं?
सिंगार पटाल.
Okay, that's good. Hair do लाई नेपालीमा के भन्छौं? Hair do.
के भन्छ केलाई?
Hair do या hair styling लाई नेपालमा के भन्छ नेपालीमा?
कपाल बनाउने त भन्छ नि. I don't think particular name छ hair do
लाई. यसको particular नाम चाहिँ छ हैन, तर त्यति धेरै चाहिँ युजमा आउँदैन.
This is के भन्छ?
केश विन्यास. केश विन्यास भन्छौं. केश विन्यास. विन्यास.
Oh wow, nobody uses it, I think.
युजमा चाहिँ छैन. Okay, no matter you are beauty therapist, so how we call beautician लाई नेपालीमा के भन्छ?
ब्युटिसियन नै भन्छ।
सौन्दर्यकर्मी। सौन्दर्यकर्मी।
सौन्दर्यकलाको कर्मी भन्न कि सौन्दर्यकर्मी हो।
So नेपालीमा पिम्पल या एक्ने लाई के भन्छौं?
डन्डीफोर।
Okay, that's good. Eyebrows लाई नेपालीमा?
आँखी भुई।
Okay. Eyelash लाई?
eyelash लाई परेला किराइनो त छम परेलीमा भनेर छ।
And cosmetics लाई नेपालीमा?
सिंगारपटा।
It's सौन्दर्य सामग्री.
Oh, सौन्दर्य सामग्री. Okay, that's very simple. Literally translating it.
Okay, this is the English line and you need to go for Nepali line. Flower is beautiful.
Kire?
Flower is beautiful. यसलाई नेपालीमा?
फूल यो एकदमै सुन्दर फूल छ।
फूल सुन्दर हुन्छ।
फूल सुन्दर हुन्छ यो।
मलाई अभिनय मन पर्छ।
I love acting.
Okay. Let's go for English to Nepali. Monkey can climb a tree.
बाँदरले रुख चढ्न सक्छ।
Okay. Lion is the king of jungle.
सिंह जंगलको राजा हो।
सबै कथाको अन्त हुन्छ।
किरे?
सबै कथाको अन्त हुन्छ।
Every story has an end.
So every story has an end and every show has its end for the new beginning. But before we say ending the show, we like to hear more from you. So the thing is called last words. So two last words from Icha Karki. So you are a beauty therapist, you are actor, you are a model, and you won the title of Supermodel Nepal. You are an entrepreneur, you are a beauty educator. So सबै कुराहरुलाई क्षमा राख्दाखेरि very much related with the media सँग synonymous भएर आउँछ भने कहीं कतै त्यो interrelated पनि छ. So तपाईको profession मा if anyone want to join, so what should be the initiation a person need to do? One part, and other part is a positive message from this successful lady.
I still wouldn't consider myself very successful because I have a picture of myself in my head and I want to reach that goal. But I think that hard work and honestly, networking also helps a lot. Knowing the right people is also very important. That's why I believe that you need to surround yourself with people who are going to make you better. Because those who won't, it's just not going to be any difference to you. You want to make yourself better. There's a saying that you are the 5 people you surround yourself with. Okay? So you want to make sure you surround yourself with the 5 people that you want to be like, or you aspire to. So those kind of things. And if you want to be part of the glamour field or beauty field or any field in general, then make sure you are passionate about it and you're not just doing it because it's a trend or it needs to come from your heart because I believe that it's gonna be successful. Okay? Because if you really, really hope for it, dream for it, it's gonna come true. As long as you are loyal to yourself, it's gonna happen.
Okay. So मन लगाउन जान्नु भयो भने धन आफै आउँछ।
मन लगाउनु पनि पर्यो, मन धन सबै लगाउनु पर्छ नि। It's your everything. It's like यस्तो टाइपको प्यासन हुनु पर्यो कि त्यो बाहेक अरु केही छैन कि there is no comparison to that. Like for me, my beauty business is everything to me. I can't compare anything to it. Nothing stands next to it. Not as bad as it sounds, it's not even myself or my parents. Nothing. It's that my beauty business first and then everything to take it second place. So that's how I feel about it. And if you're really passionate about it and you really want to do it, then give you. I believe.
Okay. So एकदमै passion हुनु पर्यो र passion सँग बाँच्न जान्नु पर्यो। सपना देखेर मात्र पुगेन, सपना बाँच्न जान्नु भयो भने सपना रहँदैन, त्यो वास्तविकता बदलिन्छ. That is where Icha Karki is standing up. Thank you, Icha, for joining us and all the best wishes. And one more time, congratulations for your 1-year completion of Happy Married Life. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So with this, we complete the part with Icha Karki, the guest for today's episode. र इच्छासँग कुराकानीबाट हामी यो स्पिक टिभीको एडिसन सम्पन्न गर्छौँ। अर्को एपिसोडमा भेटौँला र we like to say stay happy, stay fit, stay healthy. मस्त रहनुहोस्, व्यस्त रहनुहोस्. Thank you so much.